Hey guys, my name is Heather, aka Artsymadwoman on Etsy and Instagram. I am here to tell you that I suck at this. So yeah, I am a resin artist and I wanted, this is gonna be really hard. Start that over, cut that out, cut it. So yeah, I'm really excited. No, I hate that. Don't do that again. And I'm so sorry if I'm awkward at first or for the entire duration of my adventures on YouTube, because that has high chances of happening. All right guys, I love you so much and I'm just so excited to, start that over. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you so much. Let me know. Why do I keep saying let me know? Alright guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much. So much. Just so much of everything. Yes, I like you. No. No. Focus on the book. Struggles. But yeah, as you can see, don't focus on my face. I'm so excited because I'm so excited. But I'm so excited. I can't decide if I want to do the top coat, if I want to do the intro first or nah. Ew, like ew. Fluff, fluff, fluff. So today, first we're gonna cry a little bit. Wait, I'm gonna give them a close-up. You don't have to
We're doing it. We're doing it already.
Yes.
Ready?
All right.
Yes,
Oh my god.
Wiggle nails.
But yeah, let's move on to resin things. Not a plant channel. Should I just... The first one I'm gonna show you... We are 24 hours later. We're... Wow. Blah, 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 blah. I'm so excited. Because I failed to mention that in that video, what the fuck? I just lost my train of thought completely. I failed to mention in that video that you can reuse the silica gel. To back you up a little bit more and turn and up a little, just a little side note, if you hear any screaming kids, it's not because I'm holding any hostage, it's because I live right next door to a daycare. So there's little demons running around outside screaming while I press flowers and microwave them in my microwave. Like, what are you doing? Do you know how to be a tripod? The answer is no. What if I molded this cat? Did you guys like that?
Exactly. You put a quarter in.
Yeah, and you get...
And it pops out, you're like, oh, what's in here? That was me.
Yeah.
I know, but remember that weird aisle we found with all the weird stuff? Not weird.
That was a weird Don't.
Marty, you're gonna be that crazy lady.
She is.
You're gonna be
I'm so excited.
She's
Excited to be a crazy lady. I am gonna be crazy lady, but you know what? So I'm really excited. I see you, hair. It's gonna resin to my rug. Off this the exact same way that I do. I'm really excited. It's another thing I say in every single video. The hair's a literal nest in the back. You want a nest? Why would she want a nest?
I don't know.
She's a cat.
Cats can have nests.
Can they?
Yeah, they won't make them, but they can have them.
But do they want them?
Probably not.
And then it just makes it like nighttime. This camera is the bane of my existence. It really is. What does bane mean?
Sort of like the curse. It's like the kryptonite.
That's my camera. Did I just say my channel? Welcome back to my channel. So invest in a good tripod, kids. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel because wasn't this fun? Wasn't this worth however many minutes it took? Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed watching some of my outtakes and my bloopers. It's just been kind of a wild ride this year. I mean, I started my YouTube channel earlier this year and I didn't think that anybody was gonna care what I thought, anybody was gonna care about what I was doing or what I was saying. So I just wanted to take the end of this video to say thank you so much. Just, I can't thank you guys enough for all that you do. I get to do this because of you, and I know that that's kind of like a classic thing for somebody on YouTube to say, but it's true, and I honestly can't thank you guys enough for everything, you know, liking my pictures on Instagram to being here and watching these videos. I've had so much fun this year. It's been kind of insane. Like I said, I didn't think that anyone was going to care, and it just blows my mind that so many of you do and so many of you actually think that I'm funny. I mean, I feel like I just fumble around, and I love that you guys are here for it because it's so much fun to do. I got a ring light for Christmas and I'm getting used to it. I feel like I'm being abducted right now. My eyeballs are like, oh my. I filmed this like whole emotional video over on my Instagram for an IGTV video, and I'm gonna try really hard to not get emotional here. But I feel like in my head there's so much I want to say, but it's so hard for me to like spit it out. I can't even tell you guys what you have done for me. Like, you guys watching allows me to keep making videos like this and keep like expanding whatever this is. And I'm so like excited. I'm so excited. And something I said in my Instagram video was that I kind of discovered YouTube and certain YouTubers myself when I was in, you know, a dark place, and I feel like they distracted me and took me out of, you know, my own head and made me laugh and made me forget, and I'm not getting emotional. I'm gonna say it now so that it stays that way, but it's just, I see a lot of you saying the same things that I would have said to the YouTubers that I was watching, and you know, that I motivate you guys and I help you guys and I make you laugh, and that is everything to me. That means everything to me. So thank you guys so much for being here, and I'm excited for 2020. Something else I said in my Instagram video that I feel like I should tell you guys as well, just in case you're only on YouTube and not on my Instagram, is that in 2020 I want to make more videos, and I want to do, because currently right now I make 1 video a week, and I want to push that to 2, and I kind of want to get into makeup. I know that not everybody is going to be here for makeup, and that's okay. You don't have to watch those. I'm going to keep making the resin videos that I have been making. But I see a lot of people asking like what lipstick I'm wearing and asking for literal tutorials, and that's like another passion of mine is makeup. And I really just, I want Artsymadwoman to be about stuff I love doing and kind of like spreading out and expanding on the things that I do and the things that I show you guys and the things that we do together, because, you know, I started this channel with something, doing something that I loved, and I don't really want to box myself into one certain thing that I love, because I love a ton of stuff, you know, and makeup is one of those things that I just love, and I want to maybe get into doing some makeup related videos this year or next year in 2020. Thank you guys so much for being here. Genuinely, like wholeheartedly, thank you so much. And I will see you in 2020 with more videos and makeup. I love you guys to absolute death, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye! This ring light kicks ass, but I'm blind. I'm literally blind. Oh my god. Look at that. Barely even a whole tear. Did pretty good. I'm such an emotional person. It's hard for me to not cry. I don't even want to turn this ring light off. That's why I keep talking. I should stop talking now. Okay, bye.